Welcome back. This is called The Biggest Mistake, and this is video number 3. And we're going to talk about why working forwards just doesn't work, but just not as fast. So what happens is oftentimes people will try to create their sales funnel by creating the lead magnet or freebie first. Now, when I say lead magnet or freebie, what I'm referring to is what you give away in exchange for somebody's email so that they sign up onto your list. They get a free report, a free video, free ebook, or whatever you're trying to give them. In exchange for the email address, you can give a coupon as well, and they get on your list. You can email them, build a relationship with them, and things like that. So that's what a lead magnet or freebie is. Then after that, a lot of people then create the front end offer, the one-time offer, which essentially is an offer that is presented after somebody purchases the front end offer. So after I buy an online video course on how to save taxes, the one-time offer is presented to me, maybe a monthly membership site, maybe something else, or maybe a done for you package. And that would be a one-time offer that I would be seeing, but they would say something like, you can buy it now, or you can buy it for double the price later on. So that essentially is a one-time offer. Then typically happens after that is a high ticket offer. So you could have several one-time offers and then a high ticket offer. And that high ticket offer could be something like consulting and things like that. So essentially we're moving from the beginning to the end. But what happens by doing this, not that there's anything wrong with that, it just takes more time because you're thinking from the point of view of, okay, I start with a lead magnet, I start from there and I move forward all the way to the high ticket offer. But if your high ticket offer is what you want most people to buy, or you want to sell that in the end, and you want to have a high converting model, you kind of want to work backwards. And I'll show you in just a minute why. So like I said, most people never get past building their front end offer. And we don't want that happen to you. So essentially, lead magnet, they're forwarded the front end offer to the one-time offer, 1, 2, and then of course the 3. So what happens here is you get caught up in the formalities, the logical brain kicks in, which causes innovative mind block. So the logic brain clashes with the creative brain, and then you get stuck, frustrated, you can't move forward, you can't reach the end result, which is creating your whole sales funnel. So why work backwards? Well, by working backwards, you'll have started with the end results in mind, which in this example is one-time offer number 3. So you want to start with your highest ticket offer first. By doing this is going to help you see the bigger picture and create a higher converting funnel because each product will be congruent. Congruency means that everything is related. So, for example, if I had a one-time offer on the end that was something to deal with tax consulting, and then I had something like right before that kind of related to consulting, but maybe lawyer consulting, nothing related to tax consulting, that would mean that it's not congruent. Congruency would be the high expensive offer, maybe it's tax consulting. The one before that relates to maybe a monthly membership site with tax tips. So because they're both related to tax, that's what we call congruency. Now, congruency, you want to make sure that that's something that your audience wants from day one. So day one is going to be the lead magnet. So the opposite of congruency would obviously be lacking of congruency. And this normally happens from the freebie offer all the way to the one-time offer, all the way to the high ticket offer, which creates low conversions. Now, if all of this doesn't really make sense, you're just thinking, oh, this is just a bunch of mumbo jumbo conceptual theoretical stuff. No, hold on just a minute because I'm about to show you everything and it's going to all make sense. All right. Just want to make sure that you understand that you need to be congruent, which is the main thing. So when you work backwards, by working backwards, you ensure that everything is congruent and you don't really have to worry about that. And in fact, aside from congruency, you will be able to create the product funnel faster just by creating the high ticket item first. Creating everything will be very, very fast. You can speed the process up like crazy. So that brings us to video number 4, which is your high ticket offer. All right, so let's see you in that video.